If you're not feeling confident with shading, I designed tattoo workbooks to help with that. This tattoo workbook is called the Tattoo Practice Companion, and right now I'm doing an intermediate shading exercise that utilizes a combination of whip shades, pendulum motions, and dot work if needed. And we can practice and develop these skill sets anytime, any place. We're able to practice gradient values, shading placements, as well as practicing the actual technical technique that we will be using when actually tattooing. So what we practice in these tattoo workbooks is going to translate on over to fake and human skin. The problems that I'm actively having to figure out is which motions I will be whip shading. Am I going to be using pendulum motions or whip motions? And again, all of these are the same exact problem solving questions that we are going to be asking with each and every single tattoo that we take on. We got to find the most comfortable approach. We have to practice the technique to make sure we execute the technique the way that we want to get the results that we anticipate. And all of that comes with practice. We may not always be able to get to our tattoo setup that day. We may not have fake skin. We may not have everything that we need for that time being. However, using these tattoo workbooks kind of eliminates all of that setup process and all of that worry. And all you need is the will to want to practice a tattoo workbook. You could even use a big pen or a pencil to go ahead and begin practicing as well. But you can see that I'm actually using a tattoo machine. I'm using the Inlumino electric dot pen with the ink claw ballpoint pen cartridge here. And you can see that I'm using the exact same skills that are the exact same techniques and translations that I would be with the needle right here. There's nothing changing. The only thing that's changing is the medium that I'm using, which is my tattoo workbook and a ballpoint pen cartridge. But I could assure you, if this was done with a needle and ink, my technique, my voltage, everything would be exactly the same. I'm also forced to pay attention to the different gradients, so you can kind of see right here we have the darker areas right here going out that way, where over here we have darker areas coming out to lighter. So if I just take my time here and create whip motions like so, going back and forth, so right now I'm problem solving. I'm figuring out the most comfortable approach to get these gradients in there as smooth and clean as I can. And that is pretty much the entire tattooing process in a nutshell. It is the exact same workflow. So for those who are skeptical about translating bad habits, I think that if you're focused from a tattoo perspective, that's not really going to happen because you're still going to be using the same technique and workflow on human skin and with needles or even fake skin. It's the same thing. So I think it's really about how you go about practicing that would really determine how well what you are practicing translates. So you can see in a matter of moments, I was able to get a technical tattoo practice session in by using a ballpoint pen cartridge, this tattoo machine, and my tattoo workbook called the Tattoo Practice Companion. Now keep in mind, I do have an assortment of various tattooing workbooks that are designed to help us with specific technicalities within tattooing. I have workbooks that are designed to help us get better at shading. I have workbooks that are designed to help us get better at dot work and stipples. I have workbooks that are designed to help us get more comfortable with realism, line work, and the list will continue. I will be leaving my Amazon affiliate links for you down in the description below to these tattoo workbooks and the gear featured in this video, so that way you can check it out on your end, or you can head on over to Amazon.com or Barnes & Noble, type in Daniel Yuck, and you will see an assortment of tattooing workbooks pop right on up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be bringing more like this for you. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day.